Alright, we're down to the final battle. Is either going to be the perfect ending or do you just want to hear the video come out on the South for the Napapauna man ang song of shooting stars. Cheesy day, pare. Alright, I'm on to the last one. On video marathon, I will finish this off. Then we will focus more on video marathon. O si video marathon. Diba? 1 PM until 5 PM. Nag-prepare ng video marathon sa imo. Just told you ha. Video marathon weekends. O si video marathon weekends. Na san buhay mo. Mata na, hindi mo yan, 6 syllable na he. And then, as I said, video marathon weekends is out. You take us now and buy something at a store to get and the popcorns ready and then do the video marathon as you used to. I just told you, 1 PM to 5 PM, saluyang na malay, prepared na video marathon. And you guys won't even listen to my schedule. Sige, antok ka pa. Make a new episode like episode 6. So, di na episode 6. Spend the whole time.